In the heart of a lush, vibrant land known as Aviania, a kingdom of birds thrived under the rule of Queen Avia, a wise and just ruler. The kingdom was a sanctuary for all bird species, from the smallest sparrows to the grandest eagles. Harmony prevailed, and the skies were always filled with the melodious songs of contented birds. Among these inhabitants was a humble cockatiel named Calo. With his gray plumage and striking yellow crest, Calo was a common sight in the bustling village of Featherdale. He lived a simple life, singing and playing among the trees, unaware of the great destiny that awaited him. One sunny morning, as Calo perched on a branch, preening his feathers, a sudden commotion erupted in the village square. Birds of all kinds gathered, their chirps and caws filled with concern. Calo fluttered down to see what the fuss was about. "What's happening?" he asked his friend Pippa, a curious parakeet. "Haven't you heard?" Pippa replied, her eyes wide with worry. "The samurai cats are on the move again. They've been sighted near our borders." Calo felt a shiver run down his spine. The samurai cats were a fierce and ruthless clan of feline warriors, known for their unparalleled combat skills and insatiable desire for conquest. Led by the formidable General Tora, they had long been a looming threat to the peace of Aviania. As the villagers discussed their fears, a regal figure descended from the sky. It was Queen Avia, her majestic wings outstretched as she landed gracefully before her subjects. "My dear birds," she began, her voice calm yet commanding, "I understand your fears, but we must not let them paralyze us. We have faced threats before and emerged stronger. This time will be no different." Calo listened intently, feeling a surge of pride for his queen. But beneath his admiration lay a seed of doubt. How could they possibly stand against the might of the samurai cats? Later that evening, as the village settled into an uneasy quiet, Calo found himself unable to sleep. He decided to visit the ancient library, a repository of knowledge guarded by Sage Orion, the wise old owl who had served the kingdom for generations. Calo perched at the entrance and called softly, "Sage Orion, are you here?" From the shadows, a pair of wise, amber eyes blinked open. "Ah, young Calo," the owl hooted, "what brings you here at this late hour?" "I need to know more about the samurai cats," Calo replied. "How can we possibly defeat them?" Orion tilted his head, considering the young cockatiel. "There is something you should see," he said, flapping his wings and guiding Calo to a dusty, ancient tome. With a careful talon, he opened the book to a page depicting a fierce battle between birds and cats. "This," Orion explained, "is the prophecy of the feathered savior. It speaks of a bird, seemingly ordinary, who will rise to lead our kingdom to victory against a great feline threat." Calo's eyes widened as he read the ancient script. "Do you think? Could it be me?" Orion studied Calo for a long moment. "The signs are unclear, but I believe you have potential, Calo. You must prepare yourself, for if you're the chosen one, great challenges lie ahead." Determined to be ready for whatever fate had in store, Calo began training under the guidance of Sage Orion. The wise owl taught him the ancient arts of aerial combat, strategy, and even some old magic that had been forgotten by many.